everyone, today we're going to work a little bit on composing our own rhythms, and you have the joy of working in 6/8 time. Now today I'm going to limit you to only a few of these different note values. So here's a whole note, whole rest, half note, half rest, quarter note, quarter rest, eighth note, eighth rest, 16th note, 16th rest. We're going to eliminate some of these choices. Since it's your first composition with me, I believe, we'll take out the 16th notes. Since we're doing it in 6/8 time, we'll take out the whole note. And since we are 6/8 time, let's also take out the half note. So remember, in 6/8 time, you have 6 beats in a measure and the eighth note gets a beat. I'd like you to write 2 full measures of rhythm. So first you start by writing your line and then divide it in half. So here's measure 1, here's measure 2. And to help keep you organized, I would recommend writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And actually, let's make this an ending line. There you go. All right, so your options are quarter notes and eighth notes and the rests that go along with them. So a quarter note gets 2 beats. Eighth note is what gets the 1 beat. There are 6 eighth notes. Each of these is an eighth note. So I could write an eighth note on beat 1, and then another one on beat 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could also substitute an eighth rest in any of those spots. I could use a quarter note, which would take up 2 spaces, or a quarter rest takes up 2 spaces. And then let's also include a dotted quarter note. So a dotted quarter note, if you remember from back in the day, quarter note is equal to 2 eighth notes. So a dotted quarter note is equal to 3 eighth notes. So it takes up 3 of these spaces, and you can put that anywhere that you want in there. And then when you're done, I'd like you to take a picture of this on a piece of paper, or if you want to figure out a way to try and do it electronically, you can. But the easiest thing is to just take a blank sheet of paper, write this up here, put in the counting, make sure that it lines up. So if I draw an eighth note here, I need to draw it right underneath the beat where I intend it to go, or above the beat that I intend it to go, so that it all lines up and it's very easy to count. All right? And that's what you need to submit to me. All right, good luck.